The word Eximus originates from Latin Eximus, meaning excellence. At Eximus, we create wallpapers that exude luxury and class. Eximus Wallpaper is India's first wallpaper manufacturer, operating from our state-of-the-art 40,000 square foot factory in Taloja, Navi Mumbai. With machinery capable of producing 12,000 rolls per day, we seamlessly blend art and innovation. Our commitment to local growth is evident, emphasized by our association with Startup India.
Imagine a progressive India still relying on external source for a key living space component, which is wallpaper. We embarked on a journey to establish India's first ever wallpaper manufacturing facility in Mumbai, and despite of immense challenges including COVID, we have forged ahead creating India's very own premium wallpaper brand, Eximus.
Enter the realm of Eximus wallpapers, where rotogravure transforms walls into stories. Unlike flat digital printing, colors here transcend the surface, intricately etched into the paper by precision-engineered cylinders. Each rotation becomes an artful dance, leaving vibrant layers that shimmer with life. Rotogravure is more than a printing technique. It's an art form promising unmatched depth, where colors boast richness and texture beyond digital prints. The sculpted layers play with light and shadow, revealing stories with every glance.
Setting an industry benchmark, Eximus has revolutionized the wallpaper industry with India's first ever rotogravure manufacturing unit. We source top quality raw material such as paper and pigments from some of the best suppliers in Europe and across the world to create products that are meant to last for years.
Committed to crafting premium wall coverings, we meticulously infuse style into every detail, sourcing the best premium raw materials like paper and pigments from across the world. Each roll covers 57 square feet of boundless creativity in our premium wallpaper collections. Crafted to adorn your space with sophistication, our designs breathe life into every corner. Explore our extensive range on our e-commerce website for seamless convenience. Prior to shipping, every roll undergoes rigorous inspection, merging craftsmanship with advanced technology to ensure vivid colors, flawless patterns, and luxurious textures. Our unwavering attention guarantees each roll's perfection, reflecting our commitment to unparalleled quality. When it comes to packaging, we prioritize meticulous care, employing state-of-the-art methods to safeguard your exquisite wallpapers, ensuring they arrive in pristine condition, ready to adorn your space with unparalleled elegance and sophisticated beauty.
Discover your perfect match for the distinct style, exclusive selection of colors, textures and designs. Eximus has very swiftly become the top choice for over 1,000 dealers across India.
Discover a world of color, design, and texture. From vibrant hues to subtle tones, our collection encompasses the warmth of traditional textures or the sleekness of modern finishes. Dive into a world of captivating designs and patterns, from timeless florals and intricate geometrics to traditional motifs and contemporary abstracts. In the heart of our creative journey, our team stands united, a fusion of skilled artisans and seasoned technicians. Their seamless collaboration unfolds as a symphony of expertise, each member contributing uniquely to craft extraordinary masterpieces, defining the artistry that sets us apart. Eximus Wallpaper is driven by an unwavering ambition to propel India as a global leader in manufacturing. Our journey is marked by relentless endurance, aiming to pioneer a visionary path where our wallpapers represent our national identity, co-creating a legacy of innovation and global impact. Join us in redefining possibilities.